Hello guys, today I will show you how to deactivate the start-stop on a Karoq 2020, but it works for any MQB based model such as Kodiaq and so on. At first I tried to deactivate it using BCDS coding, but because I have a post 2020 car, the coding method doesn't work unfortunately. Therefore, I had to buy a memory module from Aliexpress, which took approximately 2 weeks to arrive, and I received the module and a handy dandy trim removal tool, which I used to remove the panels. First, I started with the bottom panel under the AC unit, which is easier to remove. I just inserted the tool under the hazard switch and pried the panel open. Then, I removed the top dashboard panel to gain an easier access to the AC trim. I carefully pried out the AC trim and then I placed the panel back into its place so it doesn't scratch the buttons. It was harder than I thought to remove the buttons, but eventually what I did is I pressed the buttons down and used the prying tool from the bottom to remove the buttons. Then, you just need to plug the module in between the connectors and install the buttons back to its original position. Check if everything is working and we are good to go to install back all the trim. The module has a memory and remembers the last used value, so we need to tell it which settings to use as default. If I deactivate the start-stop and turn the engine off, the module will remember my selection, and after turning on the engine once again, it automatically deactivates the system. Perfect. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, like and subscribe. Bye bye!